Okay.
Grade 9
Geometry
Math
Math
Presentation
by
by
Hunter
me.
and Clyde.
Yeah. You look great, Miss Wilson.
The triangle.
They have 3 sides and
And
3
three
corners.
corners. Acute, obtuse, right, equilateral.
And more.
They're pointy, and they're the best shape. In my opinion.
The circle. It's one side, one circle side. It's round. It's shaped like the earth. It's nice and smooth. And pi. I don't know what pi is.
The hexagon. Same thing as a pentagon. 6 sides, 6 corners, at least.
Not an octagon.
Not.
What you said.
Okay. Bees.
The square. All squares
Are
are rectangles. 4 sides. You have your length times width. All rectangles are squares. Just time for a short video.
Thank you for listening to us.
Any questions?